is Yang. I'm a designer and welcome to my Interlevel of Solidworks course. And at the same time, welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive into the world of Solidworks. Hello guys, welcome to this lessons. In this lessons, I would like to tell you how to create a file, save a file, open a file in Solidworks with the part file. So let's go into file, and then if you want to create a new file, you can just click new, and in the pop-up window that has several options. The first is part and the second is assembly. So let's start it with the part. Click OK, so we could go into the part interface. And then, for example, I'm on top view. I drawing a rectangle sketch and go into feature and extrude this sketch to generate a cube shape there. Click OK, and then the moment I want to save the file, I can just go into save. And then here I can give a new name of this file. For example, I can call it cube 1, and then I can click save the file. For example, if I want to do more features on this file, but if I save again, it will covers the original file, even though in the left side model tray you could find the history, but sometimes we want to save different versions of the file. So at the moment, let's give an example to you. So I just give a circle cut on this cube to make it all the way go through the cube. So click OK, and then if I want to save a second version of file, I can go into File, click Save As. At the moment, if I give another name of this, and then I can go in this two file with different name. Okay, to open a file that we created already, we can directly go into File and Open, and then we could choose, for example, one of the model we have created here. And we could also directly go into Open Recently. That is a history that records all the modeling we recently worked on. So we could just click, for example, a cube. So we could got this original file that we created before. Okay, we just finished this course, and see you in next course. Bye.